We saw how in the last weeks the Bitcoin price is going down on several way, but we can use this like a good advantage for us, like a good trade for us. Selling short with Bitcoin sometimes is a good way to earn money with cryptocurrencies. But how to know when the price is going down or up with the Bitcoin price? Hi guys, welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, I'm gonna share with you a good way to know how to trade with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Let's rock with this video. We saw how the price of Bitcoin crushed in the last days, have a price of $33,000, but on the last weeks increased this price for $10,000 more. So right now the price is $43,000, the price of just for one Bitcoin. But how we can earn money taking advantage of these cryptocurrencies right now. The market offers you many ways to trade with the cryptocurrencies. You can use it the broker do you prefer, or you can use in your strategies, or you can buy a little percentage of Bitcoin on these days. For me, this price is totally insane because I had my one Bitcoin the last week for $33,000, and right now I'm earning $10,000 in a few days. Doing nothing, just waiting and sometimes trading and request withdrawals with another brokers. They pay me using Bitcoin wallet. But right now for me it's a good way to earn money with cryptocurrencies. But how to trade with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, the currency pairs, the cryptocurrency pairs right now worthwhile. Just like I said before, exists many ways to trade with cryptocurrencies. The way to buy Bitcoins, to buy Ethereum, buy Dogecoin, or trading with Forex using these methods. Trading in short with Bitcoin the last weeks definitely was a great idea, but right now the price is going up again. So what we have to do, what direction is going to take this new price of this Bitcoin currency? For that exists these different methods to trade, and one is this CRYPTODROID Pro. Is auto trading software created to trade with cryptocurrencies, to sell in shorts or to buy with when the moment is going up with a short periods. It's scalping trades, and the algorithm works to recognize a good pattern in the moment it's gonna have a going up, maybe just for a few pips or for a few hours going up the price, and take advantage of that. This CRYPTODROID Pro is working almost around the world. Just a few countries don't have access to this auto trading software, and this is because sometimes the countries don't allow with this type of content in their countries. But right now this auto trading software for cryptocurrencies is working for many countries around the world, and maybe can be a good option for you if you are searching a good way to trading. I don't have many strategies for cryptocurrencies because the market is so volatile, and for me the way that I trade is buying the Ethereum, Bitcoin. But a good way to trade in the market Forex with cryptocurrencies, maybe this one can help you. I trade today with these cryptocurrencies and with this auto trading software for cryptocurrencies, and I'm gonna share with you right now my results. This is the last results that I have today with this auto trading software for cryptocurrencies, and I have 2 out the money. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in the money. With the cryptocurrencies, I have 3 and 2. So was a good session, but not the way that I expected to trade with these cryptocurrencies right now. I have a few friends asking me what is a good way right now the market is crushed. They saw on the news the Bitcoin and the Ethereum and the cryptocurrencies is crushing on the last weeks, and asking me what happened. This is a good moment to trade. This is a good moment to buy. But tell me, you had $40,000 to buy just one Bitcoin and wait and saw what is going to happen in the next days. For me, buying right now in $43,000 is a bad idea. Maybe when this year ends, the price can reach it for $80,000. So maybe it can be a good idea, but you have that amount? No, I don't have it too. How works this auto trading software? Well, the idea of this auto trading software is created to trade with the cryptocurrencies. This is the way that I like to use it. Right now, the market is closed, and for that reason, don't show me more trades right now with the Bitcoin and Ethereum and then all the currency pairs. But the way that I like it trade is just appears here the signal, we click the trade and we enter in that moment. You can trade on short or buy with these cryptocurrency pairs. And the more important here is totally free. Don't have to pay any license per year, per week, or the first time you're gonna use it, but you need to deposit to the broker. You're gonna have a signet with this auto trading software. The minimum deposit is $250, but that $250 you can use it to trade with these crypto signals. And just in the moment you deposit, and a few minutes later, you're gonna see reflected in your platform with the CRYPTODROID Pro, and you can start to trading with these cryptocurrencies. I made a video I don't know, in January or December with this auto trading software, and right now I just making another video show you the profits that I have and the moment that I start to using this auto trading software. This is the profits. This is the total imbalance that I have right now. And I'm gonna wait to end in this month to request my first withdrawal with this auto trading software in the broker DEX space. So I'm gonna leave the link below this video if you want to test it, this auto trading software for cryptocurrencies. And I really hope so everything going well for you just like me. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, this type of reviews about auto trading software for cryptocurrencies, and leave your comments and see you in the next wave.